If you own a Toyota Corolla, mine is a 2023 SE hybrid. If you get that chime noise for the seat belt, sometimes the back seat comes on, sometimes it does not. But it's so annoying. While you're driving, it just keeps coming on. I'm not asking you or telling you or recommending you disable it. All you have to do is start the car. And the steps as follow. You go to settings, go down to vehicle settings right here, push OK, scroll down, rear seat. Mine is off. Just put it on or put it off, and that's it. That's the steps. Thank you.